Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to go over the AI generative wallpapers that are new to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if this is something you're interested in, let's dive right into it. Hey everybody, I wanted to go over how to use the new AI generated wallpapers on the S24 Ultra, which is a new option that was given with One UI 6.1. So I've got the S24 Ultra here. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And the first thing that you're going to do is from the home screen, you're going to go ahead and press and hold down. And we're going to go ahead and select wallpaper and style. So we'll go ahead and select that. Then we're going to click on change wallpapers. So when we click on the change wallpapers, we're going to scroll down and we're going to see this section here that says creative. And right here it says generative. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select that. And now you can see here are some different types of wallpapers. So we've got different options here. So we have imaginary, we have night, we have painting, terrain, mineral, luminous, soft focus, translucent, and bloom. And so we're going to go ahead and select one. And why don't we go ahead and select painting? So what happens is when you go ahead and select the option, then you're given some different parameters that we can go ahead and change. So here we have a painting of a jungle. And so if we click on jungle, then we have all these different options here. So we can have canyon, we can have beach, we could have cliff, we could have forest, tropical island, lake, vast ocean, sand dune, valley, waterfall, coral reef, Mediterranean village. Over on the right-hand side, we have mountain, cave, desert, glacier, jungle, which is already selected, meadow, river, swamp, volcano, field of flowers, cityscape, and mountain village. So as you can see, there's a lot to choose from. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. And I think we're going to go with, let's go with cave. So we have a painting of a cave, and then we can click on nothing else. And these are the different parameters we have. So we have flying cars, hot air balloons, parachutes, cupcakes, ice cream cones, T-Rex, space elevators, spaceships, robots, paper airplanes, unicorns, boom boxes, tractors, and teddy bears. So we've got all kinds of different options here. So we're going to go ahead and do a cave, and I'm going to go ahead and go with robots. Just check this out. Then it says in the avant-garde style. So we're going to click avant-garde, and then we have all these different options. So we have expressionist, we have 19th century post-impressionist, Baroque, classicist, watercolors, 19th century realist, impressionist, art nouveau, Bauhaus, constructivist, abstract, and pop art. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one here. So we'll select Bauhaus. And then what you do is once you've selected your parameters, we're going to click on generate. Once we click on generate, what's going to happen is we're going to get several different AI generated wallpapers to choose from. So these are the different ones that it came up with. So we've got some different ones to choose from here. And we can go ahead and scroll through. And let's see. I think I kind of like this last one here. So then you can go ahead and click on set. And then you can select it for your lock screen or your home screen. I'm going to go ahead and select it for the home screen only. So we'll click next. And now it's going to show us a preview of what it's going to look like on our lock screen, or our home screen, excuse me. So we'll click done. And that's going to go ahead and apply it. So if we go ahead and close it, we now have a custom AI generated wallpaper. This is available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra and One UI 6.1. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and tap the bell notification so you get updated when new videos are uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.